Hello, good morning. Welcome back to Still Learning on YouTube, or prefer to call me Shauna. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I upload every other week. So today's vlog, I'm going to be making sugar cookies. So I'm going to be using my 3 cookie cutters. I'm basically just going to put the ingredients and get right into the video. Because you guys see me did a banana bread, so I'm just going to do the ingredients. Hey y'all, so here's my dough to make the sugar cookie. I think I did a good job. So now I have to roll it now on this border here, and then we'll see how it goes. Don't mind the bad angle. I don't have nothing else to hold. So right now I am patting it and the biggest as I can. I want to just stretch it out and pat it like this. This is the first time I'm making sugar cookies. So what I'm gonna do is I want to get something to put them in. So let me do like this. And of course we have our sugar cutters right here, cookie cutters, and we're gonna make it. So let me pause. I'll be doing it. Okay guys, so I have the dough. I think I'm gonna start with this one. So I have to go like this, and look. Oh my god, that looks so good. Let's start. Let me pause. Oh my, I did a good job. Oh my gosh. What I do, this is what people do. Guys, I just measured it so well in the book. See, I used this book and I checked the instructions, and look how they turned. That is crazy. Oh my god. Look how my sugar cookies look like. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in the oven and bake them for their temperature. So they have to bake until let me see the temperature. Let me pause. So guys, I just put all these cookies in. So it's about, it says 1.5 minutes. It'll take about 30 minutes. So maybe about 12:30 they should be ready. Guys, I did this so perfectly well that I can't stop. I can't stop being obsessed. And then after, when they're done cool, I'm gonna put the icing on it. Okay, so I'll show you that when they're ready. Guys, they're starting to have a little burn on them. They're getting dear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like guys, I never feel this happy to do something like this perfect. I just pray that they turn out good. I just pray. So the cookies are ready. I changed my mind. I think they were ready 30 minutes ago, so I was wrong. But they look really good. But right now they're hot. So what I'm gonna do is when they cool, I'm gonna put some icing on them. So right now I'm gonna show you how you could design these sugar cookies. Or it's not even just sugar cookie, it could be any type of cookie that you want to design. You can do them how you like. So I'm basically putting the kind of icing on them, so you all see. And I'm gonna show you the cookies. And then when they're cool, you can just try them. Oh my gosh. I don't know if they're gonna taste good, but these are the best cookies, I would say. And they're done. So I'm gonna show you more. So I just designed my sugar cookies, so I'm just gonna let them cool. And then later on, I'm going to try these. Why not? Like, this is the Christmas spirit, guys. I've never done this last year. And now they look good. Okay, guys. So, this is it. This is the cookie. I tried it. Maybe too salty. But I mean, I made it too salty, but yeah, made it really salty. But anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think. I know I should put a little bit too salt, but it did say 1.5 fourth, so I think I put too much. But other than that, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think. Next time, I think I should put just a little bit. But they did turn out good. I keep it in too long, but it's good. So let me end this vlog right here. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, and follow me on my social medias. Bye.